Hello everyone, my name is Arya and I'm going to explain the geological principles in Minecraft and in our Earth in common. In Earth sciences, rocks are categorized in three major groups. First is igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are the rocks formed by cooling of lava and magma. Sedimentary rocks are the rocks formed by the compression of the sediments. Metamorphic rocks are the rocks formed by in high pressure and temperature deep in the crust. In Minecraft, in Minecraft, igneous rocks are present in the form of basalt and deepslate. Sandstone and gravels are examples of sand for sedimentary rock. Diorite and granite is the example of metamorphic rocks. Next, in Minecraft, we can also see the deposition of the sediments as when the river carries the sediments and deposit it in the basins. This sediment are carried from weathering from other rocks and then it deposited layer by layer. This layer of is the loose one, which is the sand. This is the sandstone, and this is the smooth sandstone. This smooth sandstone is hard, which is due to the pressure of this all sand above it. And this one is uh, more solid, but it has some cracks as it's not that solid. It's not that strong. And this is the loose sand, which are the gravity block in Minecraft, usually falls on a, which usually behaves like a real block in a real in Minecraft. There are also in Minecraft when we mine, we found some ores. These ores are not just placed randomly. These are placed in an order of the depth we dig. Just like in real world, coal and iron are found near the surface, while while gold and redstone are in slightly deeper, while diamond is found very deep, and they are usually near lava, which is quite similar to how which is quite similar in real world. In Minecraft, these huge mountains are generated through procedural generating, but in real life, these mountains are generated through tectonical activities. When tectonic plate moves and collide with each other, it results in formation of huge mountains, just like Himalayas, just like Himalayas. And in Minecraft, there is also a famous place. There is a place called Nether, which mimics the volcanic activity of Earth. Nether, Nether, there are huge terrains of basalt and netherite places. In real life, the formation of obsidian is when this molten lava rapidly cools down, resulting in formation of lava. Just like in Minecraft, if we put water on this lava, it will turn into obsidian, just like this. It also occurs in real life, but in real life, obsidian is an glassy material, and it's not that strong as it's shown in Minecraft. Now let's visit the Nether. Nether mimics the volcanic aspect of the Earth. These are the basalt terrain. Basalt terrain are basically formed when this lava cools rapidly, making basalt. basalt have this column-like structure. In Minecraft, this basalt also has this hexagonical texture, hexagons, which is also found in real basalt. Sometimes this real basalt forms hexagonal columns, which cools slowly and contracts, forming this pillars, giant forming pillars. These locations also exist in real life, like Giant's Causeway in northern Ireland. Minecraft simulates this with the help of forming these columns. This is an Damascus geoid. And geoid is an mineral deposit, a crystal deposit, which consists of a crystal inside in the core and which is surrounded by smooth basalt outside, and the middle part is with the calcite. Damascus blocks are in the middle. This structure closely resembles real geoids, hollow volcanic rocks lined with crystal like quartz and amethyst. Not all dirt is created equal in Minecraft. Features different soil types like dirt, porous dirt, podzol, and malleable. Dirt is the basic fertile land which can grow grass. Porous doesn't do grass, and podzol and malleable are acidic and fungal rich soil. This mimics real world soil profiles formed by weathering, vegetation, and climate. In Minecraft, we can also study the simplified stratigraphy of the Earth. Stratigraphy is the study of rock layers and what they tell us about the Earth's past. In Minecraft, when you dig from grass to stone to deepest to the bedrock, grass to stone, and the deep slate and to deep stone to the bedrock, you are actually moving through a simplified geological timeline as 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 by the principle of superposition, which means the layer below is the oldest. This if layer below is the older one, and the layer above is the younger one, which means that which means that this layer right over here is older than this layer. By by this principle, we can study the timeline of the Earth by moving in this way. These are some basic principles of geology in Minecraft. Thank you.